Another rainy day. Raining, raining, raining. Yeah. Supposed to rain until 11 o'clock today. But I don't know. I have no idea if it's going to do rain up until then, or and then tomorrow it's only supposed to rain until from 12. Let's see, what is it? 12 a.m. to what is it? No, I said that's wrong. Uh, it's not supposed to be raining in the morning. Let's put it that way. Tomorrow, but yeah. So we got some rain here, as always. Always got some rain. All the rain that we've been getting, you know. Need to get a hold of Sherry. Fine, tell her about after them windows are open. Yeah. So I don't know. But yeah, this ain't gonna be a real long video. But I wanted to let you guys know it's raining. I don't think it's gonna thunderstorm today. Supposed to rain again tomorrow too. And Friday. But Friday we're going to Market House. Saturday I'm going back out squirrel hunting. Yeah. So I don't know. Um, not supposed to rain Saturday, but yep, I'm not showing the neighbor's house. I'm facing down into our driveway. You can see the rain. Winding it out. Now you can see the rain. Got a big puddle right there. Don't know why. There's a big puddle there. Always. It always lays right there for some reason. If anyone knows why, there's a big puddle right there. Please leave it in the comments. Maybe I could check in to see what why it's doing that, or maybe to figure out what to do about it. Someone said about a drain, off-run drain. Well, don't know where to put one. It lays straight dead center of the driveway. So that's not going to help off to the side. But yeah, once it's done raining, I'll take a broom out there. I'll push that out of the way. So I will. But yep. So yeah, there's a video for you. And I'll be posting this up later. So yeah, if anybody knows about the driveway, let me know. And maybe I can figure out how to stop it from building up right there. All right, so thanks for watching. Talk to you there.